Welcome to Ireesworld. Hey guys, welcome back to Ireesworld. Today I'm going to be making a solar system out of slime. So let's get right into the video. Wait, do you guys like my dress?
Oh yes,
It's a solar system. So I have the blue glitter glue for the galaxy color, the pink, the purple. I have the red glitter glue for the sun color, and the yellow. And I have the magical liquid, which is the activator. I have the 3D planets. And I have a reference book to tell us all about the planets. So we're going to start making the slime. The first color I'm going to be using is purple. Make sure you get all of it out. So this is done. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of activator. See the slime starting to form? Soon I'm going to knead it with my hands. So it's very sticky. We probably need to add some more activator.
wow.
It's so very stretchy. Next we're going to be using the blue color. One is finished.
This one is finished.
Let me see. Hold on. Okay, I'm coming. Sorry.
Now let's get the activator. have all three colors finished, we are going to mix them up. Look at this, guys. It's starting to look like galaxy colors.
Yes.
Now I'm going to be making the sun. So I'm going to be adding yellow glitter glue. I'm also going to add red food coloring to make it orange. It kind of looks green because the bowl is blue.
It does look green.
I'm going to start out with 2 drops of red food coloring. 1, 2. Wow, look at this. It's starting to turn orange already.
Yes, it is.
I think 1 more drop will do. 1. Whoa, it's so stretchy too.
That's a pretty orange.
Yeah, for the sun. Now that our slime is complete, let's start building our solar system. You want to take your big galaxy slime and make it in a big circle. Now we're going to take our sun and mold it and put it in the middle. Our sun has spread out. The sun is the center of the solar system. The sun is a star. The sun is about 93 million miles away from Earth. If you take a car to the sun, it will take more than 170 years to get there. The sun rises on the east, the sun sets on the west. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The 4 planets closest to the sun are mostly made of rock. They are called terrestrial or rocky planets. The 4 planets farthest from the sun are big balls of gas. They do not have a solid surface. This is Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. It's the smallest of the 8 planets. During the day, it's very hot. During the night, it's very cold. Mercury does not have a moon. Let's place it on the galaxy. There's Mercury. The second planet is Venus. It is the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is the closest planet to Earth. 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 day on Earth. That's because Venus turns more slowly. There's a volcano on Venus called Mons or Mons. There's a volcano. Let's add Venus into our solar system. Here's Venus. The third planet is Earth. Earth is the 5th largest planet in the solar system. Most of the Earth is covered in ocean. It is the third planet in orbit around the sun. Orbit means that it travels around the sun in a big circle. It takes a year to orbit the sun.
So I have a question for you. How many times have you been all the way around the sun if it takes the Earth a full year to orbit the sun?
6 years because I'm 6 years old.
Ah, very smart you are.
So we're gonna place Earth in our solar system.
There's Earth.
Now we have our fourth planet, Mars. Mars looks reddish because there's a lot of iron in the rocks on its surface. Mars has 2 small moons. Now we are going to place Mars in our solar system. Here we have Mars in our solar system. Now we have Jupiter. Jupiter is our solar system's biggest planet. It's so big that all the other planets could fit inside. Jupiter looks striped because it spins very fast, pulling its cloudy atmosphere into bands around the planet. It takes almost 12 Earth years to orbit the sun. Jupiter has at least 63 moons. Mommy, did you know that?
I didn't know that. Not until I read the book. That's amazing to me. We have 1 moon.
Yeah. Now we are going to add Jupiter to our solar system. This is Saturn. Wow, this one is cool. It has rings or something.
Let me see. Wow, that is cool.
Yeah. Saturn has thousands of rings. The rings are made out of billions of icy rocks. Saturn has at least 53 moons. 53. Come on.
Yes, 53 moons.
The biggest moon is called Titan. Titan means giant. And that pretty much sums up the 6th planet. Let's add it to our solar system.
There's Saturn.
Here's your 7th planet, Uranus. And let's not get ridiculous with the name. Uranus is tipped on the side. It takes 84 Earth years to orbit the sun. Uranus is the coldest of the 8 planets. And Uranus only has 1 moon like Earth. So let's add it to our solar system. Here we have Uranus. The last one is Neptune.
Neptune? That is not how you say that. How you say it?
Okay. It's Neptune. And Neptune is the farthest from the sun. The weather on this planet is wild. Winds blow more than 1,000 miles an hour. It takes 165 years for the Neptune to wait. It takes 165 years for Neptune to orbit the sun?
Yes, about 165 years.
Seriously, Neptune? Let's add Neptune to our solar system. And there we have it, our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I have a song to help you remember. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
That was beautiful.
I hope you guys enjoyed my slime solar system. Like always, like, comment,